Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Tovia. We are going to be making seasoned waffle fries. I have a Tupperware mandolin that I got from Simply Sara. If you don't know who she is, feel free to check her out in the description box. So I have my mandolin fit with the little red blade here, and I have this part set on lock. And I'm going to change, I have this set on the number 2, so my waffle fries come out 2 millimeters thick. So we're going to begin by just going downward. I'm going to bring it back. I'm going to twist it 90 degrees, downward, back, and then I'm going to rotate it back the other direction. And we got these waffle cuts now. Pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and slice up all my potatoes and we'll be back. So I'm going to soak the potatoes in cold water. So I did about 5 potatoes, but I'm not going to cook all of this. I just made some so that I can freeze them in advance. So I let my fries soak in water for about an hour. So now I'm going to pour over a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. So I'm using about 2 potatoes that are sliced of that batch we made. So I'm going to just put over approximately half a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm going to put in about 3/4 of a teaspoon of garlic salt. I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of chili powder. I love the flavor of chili powder. Put in a half a tablespoon of smoked paprika. I'm just going to give everything a toss. And I'm using the air fryer oven from CalmDo, and I absolutely love it. I've been using it a couple times before I showed it on the channel, so I could just sort of play around with it. So I love this oven. The only thing I don't like about this oven is that the max temperature gets to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to use a couple of the racks that were provided with the oven, and I'm just going to place my fries on there. Now they gave me a waffle cut, but it didn't give me the holes. Maybe I did something wrong. Well, I did watch a video on how to make sure I was to use it, so I did everything. Maybe I had the cut set a little too thick, but you can sort of see that waffle cut. And I'm going to place this inside of my air fryer oven. And the oven came with a lot of different accessories. You can use this as a rotisserie. It comes with the rotisserie hook. It comes with a basket if you want to cook your frozen fries in the basket, the things that you want to keep constantly turning. I like the fact that I can pull the door off of this particular this unit, so I can give it a good clean. So that's the part I like about this particular air fryer oven. Now, if you want to know more about CalmDo, you can check the description box. So I'm going to just do I'm going to do 2 racks of these fries in my oven here. So most likely I might rotate the racks. So let me just put this inside, and I'll give you a better view of the oven itself. So this is the CalmDo Air Fryer Oven. I like everything about this oven so far. Just the only downside to this is that the max temp gets to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So now I'm going to hit the power button, and I'm just going to hit this little menu here, the little selector, and I'm going to just put it on chips, and I'm going to hit the on button. So it's going to go for about 15 minutes. I know this will probably take a little bit longer, but we'll check it after 15 minutes to see if we need to do any rotating of the racks and things like that. So we'll be back. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes. Go ahead and open up my air fryer oven. Look at that. Looks so good. So the top tray is look, it's almost completely pretty much done. So I'm going to just rotate the trays. Yeah, these are almost done. And I'm going to let them go for about 6 more minutes. I probably pull the bottom tray out after 3 more minutes and let the top tray go for the remaining of the time. All right, here is the final of the fries. It gave me like a waffle cup, but it didn't put the holes in there. I'll figure out why, and I'll do another video soon because I love this mandolin. Overall, it's really wonderful. And I just served this with a side of ketchup. Very well seasoned. The exterior is very crisp, and the middle of it is very soft and creamy. Absolutely delicious. Now, if you don't have a mandolin, of course you can cut your potatoes really thin and just follow the same recipe. But I'll put the exact measurements in the description box as well as the video. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting, quick and easy recipes. Thank you for watching and supporting. Please remember to live and be well.